Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. We can learn how to make a beautiful shape, which is a really cool drawing to learn. We will first draw the head part of the shape with a flag on it and then the body of the shape. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make a really beautiful girl who is standing with a flower in her hand. We will first start by drawing her beautiful face and her awesome hairs, as we can see in the video, and her smiling face, and then we will continue by drawing her beautiful dress and a sash behind it. Moving on to the next one, we can learn how to make two cute birds. We'll start by drawing 4 toes for the body of the bird, and then we will complete it by following the steps as shown in the video, and then we'll make the stem or branch on which the birds were standing. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can again learn how to make a really cool hand which is showing a sign, as we can see in the video. We will start by drawing the fingers. Thank you for watching the video.